dx. What is du dx? Our du dx is 2x. So we have 2x. Now expand this. This will be 2x squared plus 2x times 2x, that is 4x squared. 5 multiplied by 2x, you have plus 10x. Okay, now collect like terms. Hi, welcome. Let's consider product rule of differentiation. In part 1, we have considered first principle method. We have also considered the power rule, or you call it the general method. Today, we'll be considering the product rule. Suppose y is equal to u of x where u and v are functions of x. Then dy dx, which is same as y prime, will be equal to u dv dx plus v du dx. Okay, all right, that is differentiate the v and multiply it by u function. Differentiate u and then multiply it by v function. Okay, then that should be the derivative of that function. Example: find the derivative of the following functions. Let's say number 1 here, we have y equals x raised to power 2 brackets 2x plus 5. We have x raised to power 3 sine x. 3x raised to power 2 plus 2, then bracket x plus 4. And the other complex examples. Okay, let's start with this one first. Solution. Okay, given, that is number 1, given that y is equal to x raised to power 2 multiplied by 2x plus 5. Here, let our u be the first function, that is x raised to power 2. Then v will be 2x plus 5. Now let's differentiate this u with respect to x. We have du dx is equal to differentiate this using formula method, this is 2x, while dv dx, that is differentiating this is same as d bracket 2x plus 5 all over the x, which will give us, when you differentiate 2x plus 5, you have 2, because 5 is a constant. Okay, now y dy dx will now be u dv dx plus v du dx. This will be, now our u here is x squared, so we have x raised to power 2, then multiply by dv dx. What is dv dx? dv dx, which is what? 2. Then you put your plus. Our v here, this is 2x plus 5. We have 2x plus 5. Then multiply by du dx. What is du dx? Our du dx is 2x. So we have 2x. Now expand this. This will be 2x squared plus 2x times 2x, that is 4x squared. 5 multiplied by 2x, you have plus 10x. Okay, now collect like terms. We now have therefore dy dx will be equal to 2x squared plus 4x squared, you have 6x squared plus 10x. Okay, so divide the x of this function is 6x squared plus 10x. Let's solve number 2. Number 2, we have y is x raised to power 3 or bracket sine x. Okay, let u equals x raised to power 3. So du dx is same as d bracket x raised to power 3 or dx, which is 3x raised to power 2. Then our v now is sine x, so that dv dx will be equal to cos x. Good. So now our dy dx, remember, will be u dv dx plus v du dx. Substituting, what is the value of u here? U, what is the value of u? U is x3 multiplied by dv dx, see it here, cos x, plus, what is v? Sine x multiplied by du dx is what? Where is our du dx? That is 3x2. 3x raised to power 2. So open the bracket, you will have x3 cos x plus 3x squared sine x. So that is your dy dx. Alright. Okay, I, we are given y equals bracket 3x raised to power 2 plus 2 multiplied by x plus 4. Okay, our u is 3x squared plus 2. Then du dx is 6x. Okay, because constant is 0 already. Then v is x plus 4. Then dv dx is 1, derivative of a constant. Now, our dy dx will be u dv dx plus v du dx. So, our u here is 3x squared plus 2. 3x squared plus 2. Multiply it by dv dx. Okay? So, where is our dv dx? Our dv dx is 1. So, plus v is x plus 4 multiplied by du dx. Du dx. Where is our du dx? That is 6x. Good. Now open this bracket. We still have here 3x squared plus 2 plus 6x multiplied by x. We have 6x squared plus 24x. Now collect like terms here. 6x squared plus 3x squared will give us 9x squared. So therefore dy dx is equals to 3x squared plus 6x squared, you have 9x squared plus 24x plus 2. Okay, so this is the derivative of this function using product rule. Now let's solve number 4. We have y is equal to 2x raised to power 3 plus x, then bracket 3x raised to power 2 minus 4. Good. Alright. Let u be 2x raised to power 3 plus x, so that du dx will be equal to 6x squared plus 1. If v is 3x raised to power 2 minus 4, then dv dx should give us 6x, okay, because this is 0. This is a constant, so it's 0. We have this. Now let's apply dy dx as u dv dx plus v du dx. Good. So we can now have here our u is 2x raised to power 3 plus x. Then dv dx is 6x. Then plus our v is 3x raised to power 2 minus 4. Then du dx. What is our du dx? Du dx is 6x squared plus 1. Good. Expanding and collecting like terms. Alright. So this will give us 2x cubed multiplied by 6x, which is 12x raised to power 4 plus 6x squared. Then here plus 3x squared multiplied by 6x squared, you have 18x raised to power 4. 3x squared multiplied by 1 plus 3x squared. Then minus 4 multiplied by 6x squared, you have minus 24x raised to power 2. You have minus 24x squared. Minus 4 times 1. You have minus 4. Now collect like them. This is 12x raised to power 4, 18x raised to power 4. Add it up, you have 30x raised to power 4. Now 6x raised to power 2 plus 3x raised to power 2 minus 24x raised to power 2. You will have minus 15x raised to power 2 minus 4. Then you will have dy dx is equals to 30x raised to power 4 minus 15x raised to power 2 minus 4. Okay, as our final answer. Now, this is class activity. Attempt this. Find the derivative of number 1, 5x raised to power 2 minus 3x multiplied by some x, and then x plus 2x cubed bracket x plus 3.